Okay, so now we're gonna be going over variation of bird dog for the lower extremities specifically, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in a quadruped position with my hands under my shoulders, knees under my hips. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift off the knee from the table here, okay? Lift off the knee from the table. You're gonna see that you're probably gonna be putting pressure, the same knee that you lift off, on that hand that's up here and the opposite knee, and not as much of this hand that's basically diagonal away from the knee you lift off, okay? So you're gonna really focus on keeping pressure elsewhere and making sure your back doesn't do this whole like round thing out there, okay? The next variation here is you're gonna slide your leg backwards and straight, okay? So if you're on the ground here and you don't have the table behind you like me, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide back all the way where your toes are continually on the ground, and you're gonna come back. You can see that my back isn't doing anything where I'm like really cranking off to the side. It's just where I can extend my leg here. And then finally, you're gonna put your leg off, or lift your leg up off the table and or the ground, and extend all the way back, making sure that your back isn't dumping down or going up. For whatever reason, it would go up the other way, okay? So the variation, again, knee lift, going straight, keeping the toe on the table or ground, and then also going straight back, keeping your back nice and stable, okay? So that is bird dog variation.